we have already learned what do we mean by ascending order and descending order. In our real life as well, we need to arrange things from smallest to the largest or from largest to the smallest. Say for example, when your teacher asks you to stand in a queue, at times you stand from the least to the person with the highest height. So let us arrange these trees in increasing order of their heights. So what do we mean by increasing order? The smallest one will come first. So this is the smallest one. This goes first. Next, I have this tree. Next, I have this. Then this and then this. So I see that this is the shortest tree and this is the tallest tree. So these are the trees arranged in increasing order of their heights. Now let us arrange these jars in decreasing order of their sizes. What do we mean by decreasing? From the largest to the smallest. So I take this. This is the largest jar. After that, we have this. Then I have this. Then this. And then this. So these are the jars arranged in decreasing order of their sizes. So this is the biggest jar and this is the smallest jar. Similarly, we can arrange the numbers or order the numbers from the smallest to the largest, and this ordering is called ascending order. So when we arrange or order the numbers from the smallest to the largest, it is called ascending order. Like you can see these ducks arranged from the smallest to the largest. So if you look at these numbers, 48 is smaller than 187, which is smaller than 295, which is smaller than 396. So these numbers are arranged in increasing order or ascending order. And what is descending order? When we arrange or order the numbers from the largest to the smallest, we say we are arranging it in descending order. So see these ducks, they are arranged from the largest to the tiniest duck, and this is descending order. So if you look at these numbers, 506 is bigger than 399, 399 is bigger than 197, and 197 is bigger than 69. So these are the numbers arranged in descending order. Now we had learned certain tricks for comparing numbers. We can use these tricks in arranging the numbers in ascending and descending orders. Let us see what the tricks are. So the first trick is that we need to count the number of digits in each number. The number with more number of digits is greater. What does this mean? This means that if we have a number 1, 1, 1, 1, and if we have another number 9, 9, 9, this number has 4 digits, whereas this number has just 3 digits. This has more number of digits. So this is bigger than 999. So the number with more number of digits is always bigger. If the numbers have equal number of digits, so if two numbers have equal number of digits, then compare the thousands digit. If the thousands digit is greater, the number is greater. So suppose if we have a number 9,000 and if we have another number 8672, then in this number the thousands digit is 9, whereas in this number the thousands digit is 8. So this number will be greater than this number because 9 is greater than 8. So 9,000 will be greater than 8,672. What is the third trick? If the thousands digits are equal, then compare the hundreds digit. If the hundreds digit is greater, then the number is greater. So in two numbers, suppose the thousands digit is the same. Suppose this is a number and this is another number. So thousands digit is the same, which is 9. So we need to compare the hundreds digit 5 and 7. So in this case, the hundreds digit is more. So this number is more. If the hundreds digit are equal, then compare the tens digit. So if thousands were equal, we went to the hundreds. If hundreds are equal, we go to the tens digit. If the tens digit is greater, the number is greater. But what if the tens digit is also equal? You go to the ones digit. So if the tens digits are equal, then compare the ones digit of the given numbers. If the ones digit is greater, the number is greater. So these are some of the rules we need to keep in mind for arranging or ordering the numbers. Let us arrange these numbers in ascending order. What do we mean by ascending order? From the smallest to the largest. So I need to arrange these in ascending order, starting from the smallest number to the largest number. Now let us recall our tricks. What was trick number 1? Trick number 1 was compare the number of digits in each case. So I need to find the number of digits and compare them, and the number with higher number of digits is more. So this number has 4 digits, this has 3 digits, this number has 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits. So just one number has 3 digits, all the other numbers have 4 digits. So this is clearly smaller than the other numbers. So 989 is smaller than the other numbers. So 989 will come first. And now let me write the remaining numbers as they are. So 3019, 2243, 2751 and 3009. So this is what we have. Is this arranged in ascending order? No, because 3019, 2243, 2751, 3009, these numbers are not yet arranged. So let's go to our trick number 2. What does it say? It says that if the number of digits is the same, which is the case here, number of digits are the same, 4 digits in each of the numbers, compare the thousands digit. So I need to check the thousands digit. I have 3 here, 2 here, 2 here, 3 here. So I have 2 and 3 as my thousands digits. Now 2 is smaller than 3. So the numbers starting with 2 will be smaller than the numbers starting with 3. So they will come before the number starting with 3 because this is ascending order. So let us write this. So first I have 989. Then let me write the number starting with 2 first. 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 7, 5, 1. Then the number starting with 3, 3, 0, 1, 9 and 3009. 3, 0, 0, 9. So this is what I have. Now I need to go to the next trick, which is if the thousands digit is the same, compare the hundreds digit. So in these, I see that the thousands digit is the same. So I need to compare the hundreds digit, that is 2 and 7. Now between 2 and 7, which is greater? 7. So 2751 will be greater than 2243. So 2751 will come after 2243. So let's write it. 989. 2751 will come after 2243. So I have 2243, 2751 1. Now 3019 and 3009 are left. So thousands digits are the same. 0 is the hundreds digit. 0 is the hundreds digit here as well. So 0 is equal to 0. So I cannot use trick 3 here. So let me write them as they are. 3019 and 3009. This is what we have, but I need to use trick 4, which is if the hundreds digit is same, compare the tens digit. So the hundreds digit is also the same. Tens digit is 1 here and 0 here. 1 is greater than 0. So 3019 will be greater than 3009. So it will come after 3009. So the final arrangement is this: 989, 2243, 2751, 3009, 3019. So these are the numbers arranged in ascending order. So see how easily we can arrange the numbers in ascending order if we follow these rules one by one. So do practice arranging more sets of numbers in ascending orders. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.